I will be talking about my lesson on explicit writing, information report, and also for grammar adjectives. During this lesson, the focus was on explicit writing of an information report. As a class, we analysed the difference between an information report in Year 1 and Year 2. The differences in the noun, pronoun patterns, no subheadings, and evaluation at the end. I used an information report written on African elephants to demonstrate to the students what they had to include in their information reports. I explained to the students that for the information report they had to include a title and then a general statement with a subtitle and then description with a subtitle and then description too, and also to include a label diagram. For grammar, our focus was on adjectives. We discussed how an information report may contain adjectives. We discussed what these were and used the descriptor star in our class to help us think of adjectives. We then talked about facial features and the students worked in groups of 3 to come up with adjectives for these facial features. During this activity, the students were very engaged as they were working in groups of 3 to finish off the activity. For this activity, they had to think of facial features, for example, eyes, and how you could describe eyes, for example, big eyes, blue eyes, round eyes, and then write them down. And there was a list of facial features, for example, hair, eyebrows, eyes, eyelashes, nostrils, mouth, ears, and tongue, written up on the board that they could use to help them. After the students finished with the facial features activity, we did 15 minutes of silent free writing followed by explicit phonics, focusing on the est suffix as a superlative. I showed the students 3 columns, normal, more, and most. I related it to good, better, best as in their class motto. We discussed the spelling rules, doubling, dropping the E, changing the Y to I, not changing anything, or if a word already ends with E, then as ST only. Thank you for listening.